Hey everybody, it's your girl Chevy number one, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be about these bad boys right here. These are some cheap lashes that I got from Rainbow. They were like $2.99, and as you can see, I already opened them, already was using them. What we're going to do today is make them more, I guess, mink-like instead of plasticky, how they normally come. So this brand is NY Beauty, and it says 5 pair of false lashes, glue included, but the glue was not in there. But it doesn't matter because I don't use that glue anyway. So as you can see, these, I used these already and already did one of these. So this pair here, I made it into, I guess, mink-like. As you can see, these look more on the plasticky side. I don't know if you could tell. And this one doesn't. So what I did was use my spoolie and use another pair of lashes and stack them on top. So here's one that's done for this pair. I already did it already. This is the outcome. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. So first you take your spoolie and you're going to go across your lashes like this. And you're just going to keep going across until it gets that plastic shine off of it. It's looking better already. So they shouldn't come off because it's glued. Well, whatever the adhesive is that's attached to the plastic, it doesn't really come off until you pull the lashes off. So keep going across until you feel like that they look good to you. So let's see. I think I'm going to go over a few more times. And you really, don't really matter. Like, I am going pretty hard on it. But as you can see, it's not doing any damage. So, this is what it looks like so far. Couple of more times. Okay, next I'm gonna take the lash from up here as you can see, this looks really plasticky. And then what I'm gonna do is just line it up with this one. I'm gonna stack them. Here. And that's it. It's easy as 1, 2, 3.